How to add friends in Lines app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add friends in Line app. So first thing what you want to do is make sure you are signed in with your Line app account, and once you're inside your application you will probably see this account, this option to add friends right over here. If you don't see that, what you can do is simply head over to the top of your middle of your screen, top middle from over here. As you can see, there's a plus icon on the person's icon. So once you're inside here, what you can do is just allow auto add friends, which will ask you to register your phone number to automatically add for friends from your device's contacts. So to do that, simply click on register. You can do this now or later as well. And if your region allows adding numbers, then you can do that method. But what you can do to simply add friends is from over here, you simply click on invite and you can invite them via email or text message just like this. And what you can also do is simply click on QR code to, if the friend has sent you their QR code of their Line app, you can simply scan them and by clicking allow all from over here. And you can also click on search to add them via their phone number like this, and just like that they will be added. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.